A bonus response cost is different from a response cost because a bonus response cost makes additional reinforcers available contingently on alternative behaviors. B, a bonus response cost makes additional reinforcers available non contingently. C, a bonus response cost adds reinforcers for adaptive behaviors and removes those reinforcers when the target behavior occurs. Or D, a bonus response cost only removes some of the reinforcer and a response cost removes all of the reinforcer. B is the correct answer. A bonus response cost makes additional reinforcers available non contingently. So I'll give you a visual of what this looks like. A response cost is the loss of a specific amount of reinforcement. So if you've ever heard a teacher say you lose 5 minutes of recess, that's a response cost. So 5 minutes of something that we assume is pleasant for this person is removed. It's has a moderate to rapid decrease in behavior, which is really nice, convenient. You can easily apply it to other approaches. But a bonus response cost makes additional reinforcers available non contingently and then removes some when the target behavior occurs. So, unlike that, you lose 5 minutes of recess, it's the whole class gets 15 minutes of extra recess. So now instead of a 30-minute recess, they have a 45-minute recess, but they can lose that extra 15 minutes or pieces of that extra 15 minutes, depending on their behavior before recess. So that's what makes this a bonus response cost because we've made additional reinforcers available non contingently. So they don't have to earn them. Non contingently means it isn't contingent on any behavior. And then they are removed when the person does certain behaviors. So looking at our answers, a bonus response cost makes additional reinforcers available contingently. That's the opposite of the definition, right? It's not contingent on alternative behaviors. It's not contingent on pleasant behaviors. It is non contingent. It is given no matter what. And then C, a bonus response cost adds reinforcers for adaptive behaviors and removes them when the target behavior occurs. Again, not a bonus response cost. It adds it non contingently, so they don't have to do anything to get it. And then D, a bonus response cost only removes some of a reinforcer and a response cost removes all of it. That's not true. A bonus response cost or a response cost only removes some of the reinforcer, usually not all of it. So both of these would remove only pieces of that. So the good things about response cost is that it's really easy to combine those with things like positive reinforcement or group consequences. We get a pretty good moderate to rapid decrease in behavior. It's convenient. You can easily apply it with other approaches. So both response costs and bonus response costs can be helpful in that way. I will say the punishment procedure that I am most likely to use is a response cost, most especially a bonus response cost, because it allows me A, to give extra to everybody and also to make sure that what I'm removing is not going to be more than what should be removed for that person. Taking someone's recess away because they're not behaving appropriately in class makes it more likely that they're not going to behave appropriately later because they're not going to have that outlet for energy. So giving everyone extra time is a little bit like a sensory diet. Like it's making it more likely that you're going to get the behavior that you want. And then if you need to remove that as a bonus response cost, great.